Presenting this 1975 Cessna 182P, Skylane offered for sale and located in Missouri, USA, registration N1747M. This aircraft has complete and original logbooks with no known damage history and has always been hangared. It features 74 usable gallons of fuel and has just completed its annual inspection in May 2025, giving confidence for immediate operation. This aircraft is priced at $219,000. The aircraft is offered by WildBlue Aircraft Sales and is currently located in Missouri, USA. For more information or to inquire about this aircraft, please contact the seller directly.